Hi viewers, I'm here again and this time with my first video tutorial, and this is about the main function and structure of program and about the programming language. To know about program, we have to know about programming language. So firstly, I would like to say about the development of programming language and how it is introduced to us as programming language. So as we know, computer only understand the machine language, that is in the form of binary and written using only 0 and 1. So it was very tough for the developers in past time to develop any program or write any complex program using only 0 and 1. So they introduced the assembly language to us, but this is also very tough language, and if we don't have the clear and the huge idea of computer structure and computer system, we can't be able to write any program with assembly language. The program or the software converts the assembly language to machine language, that is called assembler. So this time programmer developers use programming language, and this is the advanced form of assembly language, and the system developed or convert the programming language to machine language, that is called compiler. And this video I will introduce the compiler, or that is called ID, to you, by which you can compile and you can make any program with programming language. And firstly, I'll start C programming language to make any program, but before we go to the program, I will give you little idea about program. For the newcomer, I would like to say, if we considered the program as our math problem, then it will be appear very easy to us, because in our math problem or in our math question, we have to build a structure to solve the problem, and we expect the output and the result from the math program. So if we considered program as a math problem, so it is like this, and by the programming language we will make the structure like math problem, and we will convert and compile the program into machine language so that the computer can understand what we have written and in our program, and when we run our program, we will get the result of our program to the as a output, but the form of program and the form of software, we can say we can hear one thing, that is problem solving. Firstly, I had very confusion about that word, that what is problem solving and how it looks. So when I see the structure of programming language, then it appears like this. This is a math problem, and for that it appears very easy to me. And we will build a structure with program through the ID that is called, we can use code block. There is different ID called the Turbo C++, and firstly I will introduce code block to you. That is something like this, and here we can take page like this, and here we will write the program. We will build the structure following the C programming structure, and here we can open the previous file if we build in past, and this is build. Here you can see the word build, that is used for compilation process, and this is for run process, and this is return us the output. And now I will write the main structure of C programming here, and by this structure you can easily know about the structure of C programming and how we can get the output from the program. So here we go. Here, this is the main structure of C programming, and this is called the header file that we will know about this header file in my next tutorial, and this is called the body of C program. This is the starting point, and this is some includes file that is the main structure of C programming. And in my next tutorial I will tell you about the increments that I used in this structure. For now you will only see the structure of this, and that is called Turbo C++. And I must say about one thing, that is why we use different ID. ID means different compiler or different software to compile our program. That is why, because every compiler or every ID doesn't compile or doesn't take same type of data, so that's why we have to use different ID to compile our program. But for compiling C program we can use code block and Turbo C for compiling our program. And now I'm tell you about the save of that program. You have to save that program, you can say save program here. Save, you must have to save before you compiled the program. So here, see, here I will give the name of the program that I have made. See, program, and at the last I have to add .c, and I will also tell you why that is used. For now, you only know that we have to save our programs like this. So save, and I would like to save this program in my desktop so that I can find easily. So here we go, and you can see the change of that program. Here goes, and here looks the red marks. That is we have missed one thing, that is we have to add our briefing under double quotation like this, and that is program. And if we compile this with this mark, there we go, then you can see there is 0 error, 0 warning, 0 minute, and this takes 3 seconds to compile. Now that means the program has no error, and if we run this program, then you can see here ABC and dot briefing that we have written in the statement block. You can see this will be printed as output, and if we use another line in this statement, that will appear in the as output. So so for now that's it, and my next video that will be about the programming increment that we will use in the block of program. And here is another ID called Turbo C++, and this is something like this, and we can write our program in this block, and we can use this increment, and for new file, and we use new, and for open and previous file we will use that, for saving file we will use that, and compile file process, for compile process this will be used. And we can also use alternative or shortcut form of compile, that is alter F9, and for run we can use control F9 and to run our program. And this is something like this, and stay connected, stay tuned, like, comment and subscribe my channel, and also comment about my video and about your idea about programming. That will be Great. So for this time, bye.